Today, we will learn how to create an audio spectrum visualizer using an Arduino and a MAX7219 Matrix Display. In this project, we will show you how to build a circuit that can visualize the frequency spectrum of both periodic and speed signals in real time and display it on an LED dot matrix display. Now, let's go over the components you will need to build this project. You will need an Arduino Nano, a MAX7219 Dot Matrix Display, a sound sensor, a potentiometer, a breadboard, and some jumper wires. Once you have all the components, you will need to connect them together as shown in the circuit diagram. Both the dot matrix display and the sound sensor are powered by the 5-volt output pin of the Arduino Nano. But you can also use an external power source for better current supply. The analog data pin of the sound sensor is connected to the A0 pin of the Arduino Nano, and the DIN, CS, and CLK pins of the dot matrix display are connected to the D11, D10, and D13 pins of the Arduino Nano. Next, you will need to download the program code from our website and install the required libraries. The program code uses two libraries, one for the FFT and the other for the MAX7219 module. The code is well documented, so you can easily understand how it works. The program code uses the FFT algorithm to compute the 64 spectral components for the real and imaginary parts of the spectrum. Once we have the 64 samples, we apply the complex to magnitude function to compute the magnitude of the spectral elements. Then, we use a for loop to cover the 32 columns of the MAX7219 module and sketch the column patterns based on the magnitude values of the spectral elements. Once you have installed the required libraries and made any necessary modifications to the program code, you can upload it to the Arduino Nano using the Arduino IDE. Now that you have built the circuit and uploaded the program code, it's time to test it out and observe the spectral components on the MAX7219 Matrix Display. We will demonstrate both types of inputs in the video, so you can see how it works in action. So, what are some possible applications of this project? You could use it as a visualizer for music or speech signals, or as a tool for analyzing the frequency content of different sounds. It's a fun and educational project that can teach you a lot about signal processing and microcontroller programming. That's it for our tutorial on how to create an audio spectrum visualizer using an Arduino and a MAX7219 Matrix Display. We hope you found it helpful and informative. Thanks for watching.